What's good, y'all? How y'all feeling? My name is viczfades, and we're gonna go through all my products that I use for my hair, or products I use for the haircuts, also enhancements like sprays, etc, pretty much. So today our first product is gonna be the Red One Spider Wax. So pretty much all what this guy does. So it gives a strong hold with a matte finish. Also, it works with smooth hair, thick hair, coarse hair. It comes with scent name apple, cherry, coconut, and pineapple. And it's just pretty much a gel, another type of gel, but it's just wax pretty much. But it smells amazing. It is $9 on Amazon. I pretty much really recommend this product. I use it in pretty much every haircut I do. It's like an ultra hold pretty much for like any type of wax type products. And you can use it on women and men, whatever you want to use it for, bruh. I have the level 3 one as well. I like using the level 3 one more, but pretty much Spider Wax does the same thing. Pretty much like, I'll focus, man. Let me just focus you. There you go, Spider Wax by level 3, and then the Spider Wax from Red One. Alright, so the next product we're gonna show is the curl cream. So pretty much it's level 3 curl cream. To be honest, I should be sponsored by level 3 from the amount of products I use from them. But it pretty much just defines your curls and keeps them soft, smooth, and moisturized, hydrates curls. It's a lightweight type of curling cream. It has nourishing formulas that add bounce and shine without weighing down your hair. There you go. But yeah, it doesn't leave any residue. It's infused with coconut jojoba. I don't know what that is. And alcohol oils plus shea butter, pro vitamin B5. It hydrates pretty much anything. I use it for my hair kind of, but it kind of, I don't know how to explain. I don't have curly hair. I have like straight to wavy hair, but yeah, it just makes my hair feel soft and etc. But yeah, curl cream by level 3. I really do recommend it. Hold on, there, come on, there you go. So now another thing we're gonna show, Brilliant Cream. So Brilliant Cream, it's a level 1 hold, I believe. Yeah, Brilliant Cream. Pretty much what this does is add a sleek shine and long lasting to hold to any hairstyle. Pretty much offers control and reshaping and restyling throughout the day. Smooth consistency that leaves no visible residue. That's a big thing, a part of like doing hair in general. You don't want to have like little gel particles in there, you feel me? And it's suitable for every hairstyle and every hair type. It enhances texture and defines and makes a polished look pretty much. And this smells amazing. It smells like strawberries to me. It really does smell like strawberries. But yeah, Brilliant Cream. I got this for free from my barber plug, and amazing in my opinion. Okay, so the next one that we're gonna do is called Sculpting Clay. So pretty much it's Sculpting Clay by level 3. Hold on, come on. There you go. Sculpting cream. It is a level 3 hold. Keeps your hair in place all day with a firm, reliable grip. Has a matte finish, natural look, non-greasy looks for modern, stylish appearances. There you go. It's natural ingredients. Excuse me. Natural ingredients, long-lasting fragrance, pretty much, and yeah, it's pretty good to like sculpt your hair when you're like on a rush, you know, you feel me? But yeah, that's Sculpting Cream. Well, Sculpting Clay, there you go. Next is Forming Cream. So with this one, it's still level 3, but Forming Cream, it provides a level 2 hold. It's a natural to medium finish and shine. Adds volume and texture without making your hair stiff or sticky like regular gels. Like let's say Suavecito, right? It gives you like this hard hair pretty much. This adds volume, texture without making your hair stiff. Light, creamy consistency that's easy to wash off during showers. And yeah, it doesn't weigh your hair down too much and leaves a pretty nice scent to it. It's ideal for fine and like thin hair. It gives it a fuller appearance, you know? But yeah, that's forming cream. Next is texturizing mousse. Let me just move all these products away. Okay. So, texturizing wave mousse. So pretty much it defines natural waves and with flexible, soft hold that lasts all day. Pretty much lightweight texture enhancement and volume and movement without crunchiness. You know, like with gels and etc. etc. It's fast drying formula. It does not add, well, it tames frizziness and adds a shine-free control. Enriched with glycerides and vitamin B5 to hydrate and condition and protect your hair. Suitable for all hair types as well, including wavy, curly, and fine hair. Ideal for both professionals and also at-home styling. So I like to use this a lot as well. What's next is pretty much everyone has seen it. Literally everyone has seen it. Is styling powder. Oh, there you go, styling powder. This guy. So pretty much all this does is just gives you what is it called? It just pretty much adds volume to your dry hair. It's not like gel. All you do is just put it on your hair, scrunch up your hair, and you're good. Good to go. That's the styling powder level 3. Next is also what I use. It's texturizing sea salt spray by level 3 as well. Yes, I need to be sponsored by level 3, but it pretty much gives you volume. It smells good. Good for straight, curly hair, short hair, or long hair. Creates a natural, messy texture or relaxing your curls with added fullness. Moisturize your hair as well. Makes it softer without a crunch. It's a level 1 hold for easy reshaping and a natural look that washes off cleaner. And it's versatile for all types of hairs, for men and women as well. But yeah, I use this guy a lot. Next is this one, Ravenna hair conditioner cream. There you go. It makes your hair pretty much like super soft. It moisturizes your hair, protects your hair, removes impurities, repairs hair, and also makes it very shiny and very smooth. I like using this for like clients that want like silky smooth hair. But yeah, that's what I use. And then the last pretty much hair gel I use, Suavecito. It's pretty much for slick backs, greaser looks. It gives you like a firm hold. It will never go wrong. You can never go wrong with this. But yeah, I don't have much on it because like it's self-explanatory, you know. But yeah, free spray. So when I'm doing my lineups, I just all over the line right there to make it stay, or like C cups, or like behind the ears, or if I just want to lock in like a hairstyle. So let's say I used my brilliant cream and then I want to lock in that style so it can hold. I use this guy. Okay, now we're going into the aftershaves. So pretty much I have a whole bunch of aftershaves from level 3. Let's see, what's the first one? Let's do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe if you want to let go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, we're gonna start with the black one. So pretty much this is called Midnight. It's just, it refreshes your hair, it refreshes your skin, revitalizes everything, moisturizes everything, and it's for all type of skin types, and it smells amazing. 10 out of 10, would recommend this one. But my most favorite is the red one, the Flame. Does the same thing, pretty much, smells amazing. Would recommend this one. If I was anyone that wanted to buy like level 3 products, red one, amazing. Next one is the Aqua, same thing, nothing different. And then Frost. The Frost I kind of use, but I rather the red ones in my opinion, but I still use this guy. Shaving gel. So what shaving gel does is pretty much makes, like, when you're going with your straight razor, it makes it way more easier to go down the skin so you don't cut anything. For all types of skin types as well. Moisturizes, zero irritation, and it is transparent. And it smells amazing. But yeah, that's what I use for shaving gel. Alright, so now we're going to get into sanitization section, alright? Oh, I also forgot my enhancement colors. This is what I use. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the hair products. But sanitization now, this is the thing I use to clean the airbrush. Same brand and everything. Also, you can never go wrong with regular alcohol. Never could go wrong. It's pretty much versatile to use to wash your hands, let's say. If you want like a fast drying product, use that. If you don't have hand sanitizer, I use this guy as well. Hand sanitizer, so like in between your haircuts, you could just put some on, rub it in, and then let's go. You feel me? And then talc powder, you put this on your neck duster so you could take off all the hairs, the little stubborn hairs that stay there for long periods of time and don't want to come off. That's what I use. Also, to disinfect like my workstation, my chair, I use Lysol. And also I use it for my cape. So like, let's say I'm gonna cut hair and I go to a next client. I sprayed everything down, even the cape, and then at the end of the day, I just throw the cape in the wash, you know? But yeah, that's what I use. And also, Cool Care. You need Cool Care. I use the one from Andis. Cool Care smells like regular barbershop. Smells amazing. But yeah, that's what I use. But yeah, that's everything I use in my barber station, hair products wise, or anything like personal wise for me, cleaning, disinfecting. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this new video form. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. This is viczfades. Deuces.